Hi y'all, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So it's been a hot minute since I posted. I have a couple short or reels. No, reels is Instagram, shorts. I posted a few shorts on my YouTube, but it's been a while. Anyways, I'm not gonna give y'all any excuses as to where I've been. I have a very busy life. I work a 40-hour work week. I'm a wife. I have a house. I have a lot of responsibilities and I have a family. So today's video is going to be a fun one. I have an Ulta haul. Plus I have my spring Walmart. Okay, I'm back now. If the angle's a little different or something looks a little different, my battery was dying, so I had to fix it. Anyway, so we have an Ulta haul and my spring Walmart beauty box here. So today I'm going to be showing you what I picked up at Ulta a few weeks ago. And we'll be going through this Ulta beauty box together. And there was a few items, just two, that I picked up during the Ulta semi-annual sale they're calling it nowadays. And I'll show you guys that too as well. But first we are going to let's back up here. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not already. Let's get into this Walmart beauty box here. Okay, I have me a nice glass of iced tea. Because today I feel like it's going to be a long one. Okay, so I have already looked inside this box, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, when you open it, you always get a nice little card saying like what items you could be receiving in the box and how much they retail for as a full size. Now inside this box you do mostly get sample size products. Every now and again you will get a full size item. But most of the time they're samples. You will get a couple foil size products, but you do get 5 products for, I think it's like up to $6.95 now, but still just like under $10. You can't really beat that and get to try out some stuff. So first off, I have the Dove Advanced Care Cool Essentials Dry Spray, like 48-hour antiperspirant deodorant. And the full size of this retails for $7.48. And I already know I love this. I keep one of these in my locker at work, and it's lasted a long time because there are those days I rush out the door and forget to put arm deodorant on. So I am excited to have an extra one of these in my life. The next item I got is this Amino Bonding Complex Conditioning Hair Mask. This is a brand Palmer's. I've never tried this before, and I'm not sure if this is like the full size foil packet. I kind of feel like it might be because the full size is only $2.38. Oh yeah, and on the pamphlet it says full size is 2.1 ounces, and that's what this package is. So this is actual a full size, and I feel like you could at least get like probably at least 3 uses out of this. So I'm actually excited to try this out on my hair. Nothing like a good conditioning hair mask. The next item I got is this CoverGirl Clean eyeshadow palette. I got mine in the shade Cool Berry, and it is kind of a pinky neutral color moment. I didn't open it yet just because I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep this or not, but I'm kind of leaning towards not keeping it and maybe just passing it along because this really isn't colors I would use. And there's a couple girls at work I might give this to. Or one girl, I can't really share it. And then the next couple items is just a couple foil packets. We have the Vitamask Collagen and Vitamin C like sheet mask. And this retails full size for $2.97. And then this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Cream, just a little foil packet sample, guys. So those are the 5 items I received in my Walmart Spring Beauty Box. I absolutely love this beauty box. It's really easy to sign up. You just go to walmart.com/beauty. I'll kind of do a little close up here so you guys can see the website. There we go. I turned my lighting down so you all can see. You can take a screenshot of that if you need to. But there's where you go to sign up if you want to check out Walmart, the Walmart Beauty Box. I have always enjoyed them, so I highly recommend checking them out. Plus it's a great way to sample some stuff and not have to purchase them at a full price. Okay, I'm going to go over the couple things I purchased with the Ulta semi-annual sale, which is these two blushes here from Too Faced. These are the Cloud Crush blushes. I got two colors, Watermelon Rain and Golden Hour. I already have Candy Clouds, which is like the peachy color. I love how these smell. It's like vanilla with a scent, like almost like a perfumey vanilla smell. Okay, so this one here is the Golden Hour shade, and this one over here is the Watermelon Rain shade. So on camera, they're picking up kind of the same shade, but this one's definitely darker. This one is kind of a shimmery blush. Okay, let's move on to my little bag of Ulta stuff I got here. First up is a couple restock items that I just have to have in my life. First up is the NYX Thick It Stick It Brow Mascara. I love this stuff. I go through at least 3 to 4 of these tubes in a year. So I just went through one, and I'm using a Essence one right now, which I actually really like. But I went ahead and picked this one up because I know it's just a go-to of mine. And then also the Essence All About Matte Fixing Powder. I loved this last summer. And we're warming up outside here, and I knew I'd be needing this matte fixing powder again. So I picked up one of those, and then I picked up the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. I got mine in the shade Light N2, and I already had the shade Light Medium N3, and I felt like this was just too dark for me right now. So I picked up a lighter shade just because I really like the formula. And so yeah. And then another restock is the Batiste Dark, like Divine Dark style. It like doesn't leave the white residue in my hair, like my darker hair, and I love that. And then this was something new I had never seen before. This is the Batiste Dry Shampoo Overnight Deep Cleanse. So it wake up to clean looking fresh hair, prevents oil buildup while you sleep. So, I'm excited to try this out. I'd never seen that before, and I thought I'd try it out. Okay, moving on to a few new items I picked up. First up being the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, but in the pink color. I thought this looked like fun. And I love the Sky High Mascara in general, so I thought, why not try out the pink? I saw that they had a burgundy color, and I really wanted to try that out, but they were actually all out of it at my store that I was at. And then I also picked up two of these new Revolution Beauty, like they're called Beam Bright Silk Touch Highlighters. So I have mine in the shades Diamond Glow and Pink Seduction. So here's the shades. This is like a true like pinky color, and then this is like a really pretty champagne. So I'm excited to try these. I heard these are like a dupe for the Rare Beauty highlighters. I don't have any of the Rare Beauty ones, but I'm excited to have these. Next I got the NYX Professional, the Marshmallow Setting Spray. It's a matte finish makeup setting spray, and I'm all about a matte setting spray because as you guys can see, I look pretty oily right now. I've had this makeup on since 3 o'clock this morning because I had to be at work at 5. So we're going on our, let's see, it is now 5:20, so 14 hours. This makeup has been on for 14 hours. That's insane to think about. Anyways, I'm excited to try out this matte setting spray and see how it works. And then I also got one of these new Too Faced Kissing Jelly glosses. I got mine in the Sweet Cotton Candy shade, which is the blue one. I really wanted to get the pink shade, but they were all sold out of the pink shade. But the cotton candy one smells really good. And last but not least, I got one of the new NYX Buttermelt bronzers. I actually ordered this online and I have the second one, but this one's completely shattered. And I contacted Ulta's customer service and they were kind enough to send me out a new one, and they actually wrapped it in extra bubble wrap because it was completely shattered, the first one I got. And they said they would be sending me a envelope and return shipping to ship that one back to them. So I'm not opening that one because it's a disaster inside. It's a piece of junk. Anyways, that is going to do it for my Ulta haul and showing y'all my Walmart beauty box. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe my next video I'll do a demo using a few of these new things on my face if you guys would like to see that. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.